Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. So in the previous class, we discussed the factors building self-confidence and help in honing self-management skills. So in that, we discussed the locus of control and we discussed self-efficiency and esteem, self-monitoring, right? And so today we'll see the self-monitoring. Okay, so the remaining two we have completed. So this is another 2 points we left in self-management skill. One is self-monitoring and another one is positive thinking. Okay, so these are the last 2 points we have in the this unit self management skill. The first, that is self monitoring. What is self monitoring? It is the extent to which you base your behavior on cues from other people and situations. Individuals high in self monitoring pay attention to what behavior is appropriate in certain situations, such as staying clean and hygienic, spending time with the positive people, and standing by high ethical standard. While those low on self monitoring prefer that their behavior reflect their attitude and are not as flexible in adopting their behavior to situational cause. Okay, so self monitoring is also a very important part, comes in a self management skill. So self monitoring, it depends that when you are alone, that how you are behave with a person, and how you are communicating with the opposite person, and how you are maintaining your surrounding, so that everything will becomes in self monitoring, right? And you may observe some people, what they will do, to show to the others, they become very clean, they hygienic and all. Some persons, they are by birth, they are very sensitive, and uh, they are very stick to their principle, right? So that type of attitude of people that we have. Okay, so that type of people, those who are stick with the principle, whether not to show to the others, so they are monitoring themselves very well, right? And it is must. So self management, in that self monitoring is also very important, right? And suppose that when you are, if you come to the communication part or behavior or character, especially in the communication, what will happen, uh, when you are communicating with a person, with the only one person, that is different. When you are communicating with the lakhs together or thousands of people, so that is different thing, isn't it? So that uh, you need to convey your idea, you need to convey your thought to the one person is completely different to the compared to the thousands of people, right? So in that point of situation, that self monitoring, how you are monitoring yourself, so that takes you to the in a higher level. Okay, those who are low self monitors do well in job that are consistent with their fundamental beliefs, because they prepare that their behavior is consistent with their attitude. They become uncomfortable in certain sales situation, such as having to sell a product they don't believe in, right? So that is self monitoring. And last one, we have positive thinking. Okay, so positive thinking, a very important part, especially in your educational career, or when you come to your personal career or a professional career. So the positive thinking is very important. One point we have, that is that confidence is the half of the victory. Okay, so we have that slogan, confidence is the half of the victory. So when you are participating, or when you are believe yourself, right? And when you are well confident with you, right? And if you have a full of confidence, then you will 50% of victory is yours, right? So confidence is the half of the victory we have. So here the positive thinking is different. The positive thinking is that don't think a particular thing before going to enter into that particular work, so that you don't think too much about that particular work. Why? Because you don't know that how it will be there, right? So without starting that work, how can you says that yes, this is what we got the problem, that one, this one, right? So it is not like that. When you are entering into that particular work, then you will come to know what type of work it is and how can I solve it and what is the planning I have to do. That everything will be come into in your mind, right? So when you are out of the uh, out of the river, then how can you judge the depth, right? Isn't it? So that you can just enter into the work with a higher confidence, and then you will come to know that what exactly work it is and what should be I have to go for the planning. Okay, then you can go for proper planning and execute your planning well, so then definitely you will get a success, right? So that positive thinking is very important, right? So negative thinkers, what they will do before going to go for that particular work, they think that yes, is it manageable for me, can I handle this situation, can I handle this work? So if you think of that one, then definitely you will not you are you think that it is not possible by me, then definitely it will be that negative thing will be put down in your career. So that may be affect your career also, whether it is in your personal career or professional career. So that everything every a day you can just come up with a positive thinking and you can just go for it. Okay, so these are the things we have in self management skills. So this is uh, unit number 2, self management skills 1 has been completed. So in the next class we'll start a new unit. Thank you.